Hey guys, so I just went to plug in my Keychron keyboard, the Keychron V2, K2 V2, and when I plugged it in, I guess I ruined the USB-C connector. So I've got to the point where I've taken all the keycaps off, I've taken all the screws off. And I'm going to, it's hard to do so. I'm going to be replacing that connector there. I think from one of the other products I make, I have one in stock. It looks fairly similar if you'd focus. It's virtually identical. It's GCT. I'll get the part number and I'll put it in the description. I just got a comment, like really nice high quality cabling to the battery, nice silicone, really well built keyboard. I'm super happy with the quality of this thing. So yeah, it just seems to be that USB-C connector is not the strongest, but it's easily fixable. We'll be at the bench. Go ahead and try and remove that connector, that USB-C connector. A whole bunch here from my manufacturing. The Mauser part number is here. I'll put it in the description anyway, but yeah, it's just a GCT connector. Let's see. So yeah, we already have all the screws out, the keycaps off, obviously. Now, this connector seems to be, the battery connector itself seems to be kind of a bitch, so I don't want to really heat up this board. I guess I could do it without disconnecting, but yeah, it is kind of a pain to remove that connector. So let's see if I can do it just like this. So we got the hot air heating up here. I'm just gonna bring the temp up. Probably. Let's bring it right up. Probably. I don't know if it's a multi-layer board. Probably. Hard to say. Let's try 340, get some more air. And where did my flux paste go? It's still in the tracer flux. So go ahead and flux it up. I mean, by doing this, I may very well fuck this board, so, but with the USB connector already broken, can't fuck it any more than it is. Just won't be able to charge it, so. What I'm trying to do is direct the heat directly at the outer casing, since I don't care about this connector, so it melts the rigidity standoffs. And then work on the pads below it. There you got this nice and hot. There we go. So I already see one major difference. So this isn't going to be an exact replacement because the focus, come on. It's a through-hole design, where on my board I used an SMD style. like fully SMD.
Now I could probably just bend those tabs down. They look like they line up, which I might try to do that first. Let's see if looks like Keychron doesn't quite use. Oh, it fits. It touches that LED. I don't know if that's a ground either. It touches this, so yeah, I will have to bend those little legs down. I'll try and do that real quick. There we go. We've seen. I think, actually, I'm just looking at it. I think I'll have a better chance if I trim this a little bit here. Which I can't do. Let's hope this will work the way I want. It's actually hot. So I want to add a little bit to the original hole here. Normally I would use leaded solder for something like this, but I don't have any on hand right now. This is kind of like a midnight fix. Without magnification here. Really invest in a microscope one of these days. That's not bad. Try that again. Yeah, it seems to be working nice. Good. And the last one. This one's being a stubborn one. add more here. There we go.
These solar suckers from Amazon, just call them engineer solar suckers. They're nice, they're aluminum body, but they do plug up, so you have to keep these super clean, especially if you're using flux in there. So here we are, moment of truth. Let's see. Yeah, this is the original cable for it. We've got lights. It works again. Wonderful. Now I got it in the Mac layout because this is for my Mac, but I'm on the Windows PC right now, so. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I know it wasn't the most professional repair, but yeah, it works again.